Okay guys, we are going to be doing a review and unboxing of the Opencomm UC by Shokz. Just wait a moment, it'll come off. Here it is. Cool bookmark. And some instruction manuals. Let's see it. Check it out. Very flexible, rubberized matte finish. Here is the magnetic charging cable. Remember to always clean up during or after an unboxing. Mic turns counterclockwise 250 degrees. There are 3 buttons by which the plus sign you turn on the device. If I say so myself, it's very nice for a couple reasons. One is that this doesn't have a divider in the middle, meaning you can put a lot of stuff in there. And another thing is that this actually has a button on it. That button doesn't really do much, it's just for repairing to your computer, but this is what does everything. And yes, it may seem flexible and a little flimsy at first, only time will tell. So, many people ask whether you can hear phone conduction headsets when you're next to them or when you're sitting by somebody and they can hear it, but not really. If it's a really quiet room, like really quiet, you can probably hear it, but other than that, you're not going to notice. Like in a subway, in a train, bus, on the road, it's not going to be very noticeable. And this is why, because the vibrations caused by the bone conducting modules inside the headset is actually being transferred into your skull rather than into the air.